despair. After loads of times I've wasted on the desert air, I come around hoping to get washed away inside, to get blended into curtain in the fading light. It's a thing I can't deny. When my hopes are high, I keep singing with the wind. Let's go keeping up the way we've been. For the last of years we tried and cut the flow. It's a complimentary passion still, just remembering to never let it go. I come around Wednesday, after times of disarray, after bits and bytes of unauthored jabberay. I'll be around quarter to the next fulfilling two. When my head is spinning, I can't stop to think of you. It's a thing no one can know. I'm climbing up from down below with the one letting me go. Passion still, just remembering to never let it go. But at times so hollow, I'm getting older. I'll be a fool to work the tables for a living if I don't know what I'm doing. There's a black bar in the middle of the evening. Passion still, just remembering to never let it go. Let's go keeping to the things we said. Let's hear virtue clinging on to what's gone by. When we met back in the olden days, we would sit and talk away with you and I.
Wir brauchen endlich neue Ideen, volle neue Wege zu gehen. Wovon Gründen liegt, ohne dass es weitergeht. Neue Straßen sind keine Idee, sind von gestern alter Schnee. Autos überall. Genervt sind wir in jedem Fall. Neue Straßen bedeuten mehr lärmenden Autoverkehr.